Yang lướt nữa, cái lăng bom ta ủn ế.
Actually, it was a very sad moment for each and every one of us, for the village of Putsari. Twin sister, namely AngelicaTerangpi and Sharonica Terangpi. Both are age around 9 years old. Along with one of their neighbor, her name is Adorsonei Teronpi. The three friends asked, it was very hot yesterday. Both of them went to bath one of their nearby pond, and it was very unfortunate.
Around what time?
Around 3:30 approximately. Then unfortunately they got drowned. The parents tried to search from 3 to 4 like that, but they could not trace anywhere. So in the end they came along the pond, and luckily they found the dead body there. Now one of the baby was already floating, and two more are they found inside like that.
So when you found the body, there was no more life anymore?
There
Completely?
was no more life anymore, but as to satisfy the parents and the neighbor, their relative tried to take the 3 children to hospital. But
Which hospital?
to Nili hospital. They tried to take Nili hospital, but on the way, on the way they came back.
They came back.
They returned back. And regarding the incident, the local police officer, IC sir, also came to inspect the incident, and both the parents clearly defined that it was a total accidental, as they don't have any enmity with any other person, so they are convinced that it is unfortunate, so they